Hi, my dear children. Welcome back to our maths class. Hope all of you are doing well. Today, we are going to continue the chapter joining parts with a new topic, subtraction of mixed fractions. Let's start our class. Activity number 1. From a string, 1 and 3/4 of a meter long, half a meter is cut off. What is the length of the remaining piece? Here, the total length of the string is equal to 1 and 3/4 means 1 and 3 by 4 meter. Length of the piece cut off is equal to half a meter means half of a meter, that is 1 by 2 meter. What is the length of the remaining piece? Then length of the remaining piece is equal to 1 and 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. We shall do this in two ways. First is the simplest method. Here, we are going to split this mixed fraction into a whole number and a fraction. That is 1 and 3 by 4 is equal to 1 plus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Now, separate the fractional part using brackets. 1 plus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 plus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. What is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2? 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Then 1 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 and 1 by 4. The answer is equal to 1 and 1 by 4 meter. Is it clear for you? Now we can do the subtraction in another way also. Here the length of the remaining piece is equal to 1 and 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Here we are going to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. After that, we shall subtract these fractional numbers. Now convert 1 and 3 by 4 into improper fraction. 1 and 3 by 4 is equal to 4 into 1 plus 3. 4 into 1 plus 3 by 4. 4 into 1 equals 4 plus 3, 7. That is equal to 7 by 4. Now, we have to subtract 1 by 2 from 7 by 4. Then we can write it as 7 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Here, the denominators are not the same. That means they are not like fractions. We have to convert them into like fractions. For that, we have to find the LCM of 4 and 2. And the LCM of 4 and 2. Both these numbers are divisible by 2. Then 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2 and 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Then the LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 1. 2 into 2 equals 4 and 4 into 1 equals 4. Then the LCM is equal to 4. Then write 7 by 4 is equal to the denominator 4 multiplied by which number gives the LCM 4? 4 into 1 equals 4. Then multiply 1 with the numerator also. 7 into 1 equals 7 and 4 into 1 equals 4. Next 1 by 2 is equal to, here the denominator 2 multiplied by which number gives the LCM 4? 2 into 2 equals 4. Then multiply 2 with the numerator also. 1 into 2 equals 2 and 2 into 2 equals 4. Now we got the two like fractions 7 by 4 and 2 by 4. Now subtract these numbers. 1 and 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 7 by 4 minus 2 by 4. 7 by 4 minus 2 by 4. Now write the denominator 4. Subtract the numerators. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. by 4. 5 by 4 is an improper fraction. We have to convert 5 by 4 into mixed fraction. For that, divide 5 by 4. How many times? Yes, 1 times. 4 into 1 equals 4. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Now, write it as mixed fraction. The quotient 1 in the whole number part. Remainder 1 as the numerator and divisor 4 as the denominator. The answer is equal to 1 and 1 by 4 meter. Is it clear for you? Next, activity number 2. From a pumpkin weighing 3.5 kilograms, a piece weighing 1 3/4 kilogram was cut off. What is the weight of the remaining piece? Here, the total weight of the pumpkin is equal to 3.5 kilograms. That is 3 and 1 by 2 kilogram. Then, weight of piece cut off is equal to 1 and 3/4 kilograms. That is 1 and 3 by 4 kilograms. We have to find the weight of the remaining piece. Weight of the remaining piece is equal to 3 and 1 by 2 minus 1 and 3 by 4. 3 and 1 by 2 minus 1 and 3 by 4. Here, look at this fractional part. We cannot subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 2. Therefore, it is convenient if we subtract these numbers after converting mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then, 3 and 1 by 2 is equal to 3 into 2 plus 1 by 2. 3 into 2 plus 1 by 2. 3 into 2 equals 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 2. Then 1 and 3 by 4 is equal to 1 into 4 plus 3. 1 into 4 plus 3 by this 4. 1 into 4 equals 4 plus 3, 7 by 4. Now we have to subtract 7 by 4 from 7 by 2. 7 by 2 minus 7 by 4 is equal to, these are not like fractions. Then we have to convert them into like fractions. Then find the LCM of 2 and 4. We shall do it together. 2 and 4 are divisible by 2. Then 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1 and 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Then the LCM is equal to 2 into 1 into 2. 2 into 1 equals 2 and 2 into 2 equals 4. Then the LCM is equal to 4. 7 by 2 is equal to the denominator 2 multiplied by which number gives the LCM 4? 2 into 2 equals 4. Then multiply this with the numerator also. 7 into 2 equals 14. By 2 into 2 equals 4. 14 by 4. Next, 7 by 4 is equal to the denominator 4 multiplied by which number gives the LCM 4? 4 into 1 equals 4. Then multiply 1 with the numerator also. 7 into 1 equals 7. By 4 into 1 equals 4. Now we got two like fractions. Now subtract these numbers. 3 and 1 by 2 minus 1 and 3 by 4 is equal to 14 by 4 minus 7 by 4. Now write the denominator 4 and numerator 14 minus 7. 14 minus 7 is equal to 7 by the denominator 4. That is equal to 7 by 4. Now convert 7 by 4 into mixed fraction. For that we have to divide 7 by 4. How many times? 1 times. 4 into 1 equals 4. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Now write the quotient 1 in the whole number part. The remainder 3 as the numerator and divisor 4 as the denominator. The answer we got is equal to 1 and 3 by 4 kilograms. Is it clear for you? Here is a homework activity for you. Do it well. That's all for today, children. We shall continue our class on the next day. Okay? Thank you.